Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun dollar store DIY for you. First, we're going to start off with a wall shelf that I got at the Target Dollar Spot. It's a little peg shelf. You could really use about anything you've got for this. You're just going to want something with pegs on it. You can always make that with some dowels and some Dollar Tree long shelves. Be pretty easy to do, but since I found this one already built for $5, I went ahead and bought it, and I'm just going to paint the entire thing ivory. It's just going to kind of be the base for this Dollar Tree DIY. What I wanted to do was make a shelf that I could do. It would look like some flowers that I'm drawing on the wall for spring. I thought it would be really cute, and I can also decorate the top shelf too. So once I got this all painted, I sanded it and then distressed it slightly with a little antique wax by Waverly, wiping off the rust with a baby wipe. I love the coastal farmhouse vibe, and so this totally goes with that. I don't want it to be too perfect. Once distressing it all over, I can hang this on the wall and we can start to decorate this. Now, I wanted to do like a dried flower, and I think that these flowers from the Dollar Tree are perfect for that. They look, they look a little bit like dried flowers, right? And so I just leave them intact. And then I'm just going to simply wrap the stems of them with some Dollar Tree twine. I wrap about half of it and then kind of cut off the excess there with some floral scissors. At the end, I tie a loop on it so I can tie it up so it'll look like dried flowers on one of the little pegs. And I made sure I could get a couple of different kinds of these. There's like a purple. I found like two different colors of purple and then like a color of yellow. And I'm going to do that with all three of them. There was three little pegs on that display. And just simply wrap it, tie a loop on the end, and cut off the excess plastic. It was such an easy way to get the dried flower look without actually doing the work. If you had some real flowers that you wanted to dry, that would be really cute too, though. This is how it turned out. I decorated with a few items from the Dollar Spot at Target, and I think it's really fun for spring. Another thing I added to that spring display in my entryway was this little ceramic birdhouse that I found at the Target Dollar Spot. I thought it was really cute. The colors are perfect for my decor. I'm just going to do a few things to it. I'm going to add a little bit of the Dollar Tree Spanish moss in there to kind of make it look like a nest. Pretty easy. I didn't have a little tiny bird to put in there at the time, but I think that would be a great touch if you had something like that. You could even put it on the outside or the little perch outside. I'm going to replace the hanger on there, something a little bit better, just a little bit of that twine. And I love how this turned out. Let me show you how this all looks together in the entryway. This is next to that shelf. If you would like more spring Dollar Tree or Dollar Spot DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.